Amugami too, under the APC. Did that to Dubai, under the Bayin and the Ongwana. Send Pebble. The way goes on Tipray, Ulu, Agogo, Minin goes on a mata.
1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ito kami ngayon sa Baywalk ng Tondaligan kasi may jogging yung mga bata. So papasundo lang ako kay Abby. Si Abby, oh. So what's up mga geng-geng? I know one day I was back. So what's up mga geng-geng? I know one day I was back. I'm using my pass. You know why my pass. Why you know me? Why you late? Gang mo na yun, iba pa. You know me. So, guys, alam nyo,
May mga ibon.
alam nyo, hindi nyo alam. So dito na kami ngayon sa Australia. So may mga kangaroo dito ito. Medyo wild yung kangaroo, umalis ka agad. Brother, intro.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Sabi yung legend ni Brother Romer Galeron, the legendary Romer Galeron. Yan ang totoong vlogger. So bago pa ako humanga kanila
Kung TV,
kanila trupa, humanga muna ako kay Mr. Good Morning. Good morning. So guys, tapos na kami nag-shoot ng aming video. So pakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung kinalabasan.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music so loud, I'm swinging, they hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty, trying to 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 catch me riding dirty.